The captain says, call Banana Riverboat Tours and book your tour now. Book, sit, and then relax. Arr! Finally, I'm done with a long, hot day full of tourists from North Dakota. Going for my cold beverage now. Some rum, perhaps. Once again, I'm called out to accident. I'm sweating in the outfit. Why am I sweating? Because the boat's empty after all. I gotta provide for everybody around here. If you don't come on board, the boat won't float along. After all, they've already got the treasure. Pants. I'll tell you why they call me Crabby Pants, but I'd rather tell you last in private. The one reason they call me Captain Crabby Pants, we're in a public program after all. When I'm 15th in line, I get a little crabby at the end of the day. I would live with the captain. You might get the nice bird. Big. Hard. Captain Crabby Pants says, come and book your tour now! Arr! The captain says, look, sit, relax. Do it now, so I got me a job in the morning.